Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a 3-ingredient super easy and yummy cookie. Let's see how to make this shortbread cookies. This is a really flaky cookie and very delicious. So let's get started. Into a large bowl, add in some room temperature butter and whisk it till it becomes really creamy. Add some powdered sugar and combine it well with the butter. Now sift in some all-purpose flour. That's it. These are the only 3 ingredients needed for this cookie and we're gonna get a very yummy flaky cookie. Now mix the flour with the butter and sugar. And once the flour color changes to yellow, dump the entire mixture onto your countertop. Now slowly bring it together with your hands. Very gently knead it and make it into a dough. Don't knead too much or else the cookies will become really hard. Knead the dough little by little like this so that the cookies will become really flaky. And if you feel your dough becomes too soft, you can keep it refrigerated for around half an hour. Now there are 2 different ways in making these cookies. One, either roll out the entire dough and cut out the cookies using a cookie cutter and then bake it. Or place the entire dough onto a parchment paper and place it on a baking tray, then roll it out. And when it reaches almost 1 inch thickness, cut the sides to make a perfect square. You can use a cake scraper to get those perfect edges. You don't have to discard the edges, let it get baked with the cookies so that once it gets baked, you can have it. And let's cut this into those traditional shortbread finger cookies like the long rectangle one. And just look at that, the cake scraper made my work so easy. And normally the shortbread cookies will have those tiny holes at the top. Let's make it using a fork. Now it's time to bake. Let's bake this in a 150-degree preheated oven for around 40 minutes. The time totally depends upon the thickness of your cookies. so keep an eye on it. When you can see a light brown shade on top, take it out. And when the cookies are still warm, take a thin knife and cut again through the pre-cut lines. Once you're done with cutting, allow it to cool down completely. And then you can see the beautiful flaky shortbread cookies. Do try out this amazing, super delicious, super easy, just 3-ingredient shortbread cookie and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. I would love to see your creations, so try this recipe at home, take a picture of it and share it on your social media, and please tag them with #GrapeHeart. And do give a big thumbs up if you loved this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GrapeHeart and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.